Hello students, so here we are continuing with the male reproductive system, and very important two parts we are going to be studying in this module. Let's get going. First part we are going to be talking about is vasa differentia. That's the plural, students. Singular is vas differens, and let's observe it. Now this tube in color you see is vas differens. As far as position is concerned, this picture is self-explanatory. From where is this tube arising? This tube arises from the lowest part of epididymis. And what was the lowest part of epididymis? Cauda epididymis. So vas differens arises from cauda epididymis, and then you can see, students, it's rising up in the abdominal cavity, but there is a canal through which it will pass up in the abdominal cavity. What is this canal called as? Inguinal canal. So vas differens rises up in the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal, and then over in the abdominal cavity, students, you can see it is crossing the ureter of its side, and after that it fuses or joins a duct of a very important gland, students, called as seminal vesicle. So we say it joins the seminal vesicle duct to form an important structure called as the ejaculatory duct. But before vas differens joins the seminal vesicle duct, students, it swells up a little bit. Watch there, the swelling called as ampulla. So this ampulla, then the vas differens leads to the seminal vesicle duct. They fuse together to form ejaculatory duct. But what exactly is ejaculatory duct? We'll see it in a short while. Now, as far as vas differens is concerned, how long is this tube? Pretty long. It's 40 centimeter long tube, and it's a muscular tube. So what could be the function? The function is transfer of sperm, students, from epididymis to the ejaculatory duct by peristalsis. Now, talking about ejaculatory duct, let's see what exactly is the ejaculatory duct. Now observe this picture in here, students. In here, the part you see pointed by the arrow, that's ejaculatory duct. And how was it formed? We just talked about it. Vas differens joins with the seminal vesicle duct to form ejaculatory duct. Now another way to say that is union of seminal vesicle and vas differens forms the ejaculatory duct. How long is it? Small tube it is. It is 2 centimeter long and narrow muscular tube. So naturally peristalsis will be happening here too. And you also observe, students, it is piercing a beautiful gland here called as prostate gland. It pierces the prostate gland and opens into the tube, which is the urethra. So ejaculatory ducts of both the sides piercing in the prostate gland and finally opening into the urethra. Talking, students, about the functions of ejaculatory duct. Now herein we recollect that ejaculatory duct is formed by the union of two ducts, which are vas differens and the duct of seminal vesicle, which we are calling as seminal vesicle duct. So that means ejaculatory duct is going to be performing two functions, transferring two important components. And what are those? It carries sperms from vas differens to urethra, and the second function is it carries seminal fluid from the seminal vesicle into the urethra. So it's transferring these two fluids into the urethra. Herein, students, we completed ejaculatory duct. We are going to be continuing talking about male reproductive system in the next module. Till then, take care.